And it's Bonnie. Happy Friday! I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have been out and about running around just doing errands today in this horrible cold weather. And I got back and look what was on my doorstep. Oh my goodness. I am so excited about this. So I think I had a 20% off coupon. I don't even know if these are still available online. I gotta check. This is the Bath and Body Works Disney Princess sample mini set, and I gotta say it is gorgeous. I've just spent the last like 10 minutes going like this and playing with it because it's just so darn pretty. Oh my gosh. I had to tape the box though because the tape wasn't strong enough to twirl it on its own. It kept like the lid kept popping off. So I had to like put a little tiny piece of tape on here. So I'm going to take my Scotch tape off and we're going to open this up. So I think this was $39 and I think I had a coupon. It says open your heart to new adventures. So I'm going to show you what happens when you open this. This is so pretty. I love the box. So there's actually, there's another tab here. Actually, there's two tabs. The other one has tape on it from Bath & Body Works. Have you guys seen the PR boxes, by the way, that are floating around out there? I don't know who got one, honestly. They're these giant, like, gold, like, they look like giant hat boxes. I'm like, I want one of those. I didn't get one. Okay, so this is actually kind of complicated. Look. So when you pull this up, you're going to have to pull the string through the top, which is kind of weird. And then look at that. All of the scents are inside here. So I'm going to take this off. There's like a little like plastic thing. I'm keeping the box though. I really like the box, even though it's kind of wonky now that I opened it. And inside, all 6 scents are represented. And you can kind of see like the window. And it looks like each scent, like the princess, is on the outside. So I'm just going to take these out. Maybe I'm taking them out all at once. I think I'm taking them out. Oops. All at once. Look at this. Lenny's going to love this. He's going to have to do Lumiere again. Would you like a scent? This is amazing. Oh my gosh, look at how magical this looks. It's weird because you can't see the plastic. So it's kind of like, hey, would you like a scent? This would be great at a party. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love this. Why do I love this so much? Okay, I'm going to set this down. Are these, oh my gosh, they don't even want to come out. I like this packaging so much. I don't want to break these up. I don't know if there's like, wow. Is there, okay, is there like sticky stuff? I don't know. I can't get them out. Why can't I get these out? Okay. I don't want to break this. Okay, there, I got it. It's just really difficult to get these out. Look, I got one out. I got it out. Okay, I got Tiana. So the scent notes are not on the back, but these are like sealed, which is interesting. I don't think I've ever seen a seal on the minis, which is odd, but they're sealed. Oh man. So you gotta peel all of this like awful tape off. And then you want to be careful not to like rip the paper on the. Okay, this is kind of annoying. To get all the tape off. Oh my gosh, seriously, Bath and Body Works? Yeah, there's a lot of tape on here. And okay, I got it off. There's still a little bit left on there. So if you wanted to gift this, I mean, there's a lot of packaging. So here is like a mini Tiana. Super cute. I like Tiana. I like Tiana a lot. What's interesting is the nozzles are gold. So let me grab my Tiana here. So this is the big Tiana, and this is the little Tiana. And you can kind of see, they're pretty though, because I'm kind of glad I get the minis. It's like, they complement each other in style, but they're different. So, oh my gosh, if you're like a super fan, you're probably going to want to get like the minis. Will we have a mini sale ever? I am hoping that would be like if we get these for like $2.50. These are gonna go like hotcakes. They are gonna just fly. But I do like how they kind of complement each other. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna take every single one of these out because you know it's weird. I just put Tiana back in the slot, and again I cannot get this out. It's so weird. It's like a suction. It's like a super suction. You can kind of just take all these out and twirl them. Okay, so we have Tiana, we have Belle, we have Ariel, we have Moana, and then we have Jasmine, and finally we have Cinderella. So, oh my gosh, you guys, there's a couple of different ways you could utilize this. Like, I don't want to get rid of the packaging because I just like going like this. Lenny's gonna have so much fun with this. Do you like a scent? So I think I'm just gonna leave these in here for now because I have the big mist, and then you can put the top back on so they're kind of securely in place. And here is the tricky part. So I want to make sure I match my princess. Okay, so I think this looks like it is Belle. So that means that, I hope, if I put it in this way, the top just flew off. Let me see. No, I got it wrong. Belle has the rose. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to pull this out again, rotate it, and put it down. Okay, I think I got them right now. Okay, Belle, Ariel. Yeah, that's definitely Ariel. Moana. Oh, you know what? Oh my gosh. Okay, I was wrong. There's two Bells. This is wacky. We're just putting it back in the box. I felt like the princess matched it. Okay, but now here's the tricky part, because what you're gonna have to do now is put the little gold like hangy thing back in. So there's like one of those doohickey things in here. So you're gonna have to put it through. Oh, I really hope I can get this back together because I like this. Okay, I got the first one through. Check it out. Like I said, it's like one of those like little tab things. So I got the first one going. So I can put this. Oh, you know, I goofed. It's this one. You gotta put this one down first. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. I got the little tabby thing. Okay, and now you gotta stick this back through the hole. It's like you're sewing. Oh no! I totally ruined it. It all unraveled now. Okay, this might not be something that like goes back together easily, which is a shame because like I want this intact. And, okay, I think I'm going to have to, do I have to backwards engineer this? I do. I have to put it through the top first. I should have done that to begin with. You have to put it through the first top level first, okay? And then you have to put it through the bottom. Oh my gosh, it's like I need a degree in engineering. Oh my gosh, it just came apart. You need a degree in engineering to do this. Seriously, this is like, oh, no, it keeps, okay. So you know what you got to do? You got to put it through the hole on top, and then you got to put like a pencil, or I'm going to put my mascara through there, see? So it doesn't fly through the hole. Well, I secure, oh my gosh, can I even do it? Or is this just going to flip out on me? Oh my gosh. I don't know. I don't know if I can do it. I don't want to wreck it. Oh my gosh, seriously? Okay, I think I need to take that out. I almost have it. Do I have, no! Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so beyond frustrating. Okay, got it through one hole. I guess I'm going to have to do it the old-fashioned way and just kind of wreck it. Okay, I don't want to wreck it. Oh my gosh, it's all unraveling. Oh, seriously? It totally unraveled. I'm going to have to buy like a new... This video is taking forever, and you can't even see what I'm doing because it's on my desk. Oh my gosh, I totally ruined the top. This is so frustrating. You guys, if you get this thing, you're going to know what I'm talking about. Because you want it to stay, like, intact. Because, I'm going to show you in a second if I can ever get this thing through the hole. Okay, I got it through. Gosh darn it. Okay. This has been a really crazy video. Okay, I think I have it back to factory specs. So look, I did unravel my little loop a little bit, but I don't want to twirl it, because if I twirl it, I need to tape it. You gotta tape before you twirl. Okay, so now it looks basically like it did when I got it. Oh my gosh, I love it. But this thing has been really kind of difficult to maneuver. So I'm super happy I have it. So I'm going to put this back here. Okay, I also got in this haul, I got Cinderella in the Wallflower refill, and I got Tiana. I'm glad I got Cinderella, because now I can review my Cinderella slipper with the proper fragrance that goes with the slipper. So that's exciting. Okay. Yay! Well, that was fun. Again, the 6-pack of minis. I don't know if this is available online. I saw it and it goes away and you don't know if you can get it, but I'm super happy that I got it. Anyway, if you have it, let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye.